Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio water sign. This is June weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonates, don't force to fit in. Scorpio, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Scorpio, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Scorpio, what's going on? The Fool, Seven of Cups, and High Priestess. Scorpio, you started listening to your intuition, trusting your intuition. And Seven of Cups, I think you are in some confusion. Yes, maybe you have options for some. And you are going with the flow, living in the present moment, you enjoying every moment. According to your energy, in relationship wise, maybe you want new beginnings with your person right now. But according to your energy, you will be in this full energy very soon, and this is very very good energy because you will live in the present moment. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Four of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, and Death. I think you are holding back. I think it was one type of ending between you and your person. For some there are some issues going right now in your relationship. I think it is very slow moving. That's why you decided to holding back. You are not expressing your feelings even though you have feelings for them. And Knight of Pentacles is here. For some, maybe a new person is entering in your life. For some, they already entered. Then present, Ace of Cups, the Sun, and Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, there is a new person is coming into your life. Brand new person. And the person could be Leo or Scorpio also. So there is some positive shift is coming into your life and you started focusing on your career. Present is about more yourself. You are loving yourself, you are giving priority yourself, you are doing self love, Scorpio, and you are concentrating on your career, on your abundance, because Queen of Pentacles is here. And then future, King of Swords, Six of Pentacles, and Judgment. So you are very straightforward in nature, very honest in nature. If there is no equal give and take in relationship, then you decided to cut off this person. Yes, you got your clarity. Maybe in past there is no clarity, but now you are very clear. If there is no equal give and take, then there is no need to continue this relationship anymore. That type of conclusion you will get in near future. And Judgment, yes, you will make some major decision regarding your life or regarding this relationship. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So Scorpio, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity. So under the deck, Three of Cups, the Emperor, and Ace of Cups. Yes, they do love you, but they also have ego problem. I think egos, you both have some ego problems. And Three of Cups. For some third party involved in this connection, it could be family or friends or other man and other woman, and they want reconciliation with you. So let's see their current feelings and intentions, Scorpio. Seven of Wands, Judgment, and Page of Cups with Ace of Wands. I think they are very attracted to you. They're very passionate about you. Scorpio, and they won't give up on you. If you are in separation with this person or in and out of your life, this person won't give up on you. They will come back again, and they're in the process of some making decision. For some, maybe your person going through some legal issues, are you. And Page of Cups, yeah, they did hurt you in past. Now they're coming back with an apology, and children's also involved in this connection. And Ace of Swords, communication is coming with clarity. So let's see their intentions. Yeah, Two of Swords. Maybe your person is at some crossroads right now. Page of Wands and the Devil and the World with Three of Pentacles. Some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. For some, you both are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries or states. And Three of Pentacles with Two of Pentacles. I think right now they are still juggling, but they want to work on this relationship. But there are some issues, guys. Your person maybe not giving any clarity to you. They're in and out of your life. Yes, they're saying so many things, but in action wise, they're doing nothing. And Page of Wands, yeah, player type of energy. They will communicate. Yes, you will get communication from your person and they won't give up on you. Again, they will come back. But issue is here, the Devil. Maybe this person is toxic for you. Very dark energy, they are obsessed with you. So then it's up to you, because they have no clarity. One time they want you back, but one time they are not giving you any priority. That type of confusion. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Capricorn. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, I know. Six of Pentacles, sorry, and King of Swords. Yeah, they have regrets. In past, maybe they treated you as an option. Now they thinking about to offer equal give and take, and they're very attracted to you and obsessed with you, and they have romantic feelings for you. They're still hoping on this connection, but it's up to you what to do, what not to do. Decision is in your hands totally. Yes, I think you are also juggling because they are coming back again, but you don't know which decision you have to make. Yeah, you're feeling missed opportunity with this person. Maybe you're not accepting the cup of love which is offered by your person, because see, not accepting the love because trust issues, because they're obsessed with you. And Four of Swords, no contact situation, and you are doing meditation to heal yourself. At the same time, you are thinking about them, but you are not getting clarity. Maybe you are taking your time to make decision. So let's see mutual. Tower, yes, with Page of Cups. Yes, you are going through tower moment, but they're coming back with an apology. And Six of Cups, you both have strong soulmate connection. I think you both are thinking about each other a lot. For some, there will be reconciliation if you let them in. For some, it depends. And communication is also coming. Yeah, they're coming back with solid offer again, but it's up to you guys. You know your situation more than me. These are the messages you have to take. But what I'm getting here, Devil is a dark energy. If it is only obsession, then it is okay. But this person, if really toxic for you, then it is not healthy. So then it's up to you. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. But they are coming back with an apology. I think children's also involved in this connection. Maybe you both are already married to other persons, what I'm getting here. So you have kids with other person, they have kids with other person. I'm feeling sad without you. I want to be honest with you. I am just not ready yet. I realized my mistake. And past life connection, communication is coming. Yes, communication is coming. So the messages are, I am feeling sad without you. I want to be honest with you. I am just not ready yet. I realized my mistake. Past life connection and communication is coming. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Scorpio. Be bold and make the first move, Cardinal Moon. So if you want to make a first move towards your person, this is the message for you. Be bold and make the first move. And your commitment is being tested. So if this is a testing time for you, Scorpio, if you are honest, then there is no need to worry. You will be passed. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you. Please do share, like and subscribe.